This is cool. So I took the prompt, which I created in Claude. It's a very, very big prompt. This is some detail that I'm able to get in vibe coding because I've been training my Claude account for about a year and a half, and we've gotten very good at doing things like this. So with this level of functionality detail, I've put all of this into Google Stitch. You can find this by going to stitch.withgoogle.com right up here, and you open up a new project. So it's in the process of creating not one web page, but 6 different pages for me. And this is kind of exciting because typically you have to deal with one page at a time, and you deal with the user experience flow through challenges going from page to page to page, and then having to put all of those together. And this way, we're doing things a little bit different. Yeah, you can already see it starting to develop right over here. This is the call to action and the closing. And that's kind of exciting. First page is starting to develop. Yeah, they're just popping up right here. And so we've got this full stack capacity here. And the cool part about this is once it's set up, you can auto switch it over from desktop to mobile. It is designed to build it mobile native, which is really cool. So this is kind of a bigger page, talks about the specific agents and practitioners that we're serving as a Regenerative Impact Alliance. And so what this video is essentially is it's a workshop on how to use some of the tools that we're introducing through RIA. So this is an opportunity to look through here, and so we can go in and check out individual pages. This is really good. You gotta go up. Oh, actually, you gotta. How do you move around on here? Let's see. It's kind of. Oh, don't want to move that way. Don't want to move that way. Maybe we can. There we go. All right, so we figure out how to navigate eventually. Going left to right, you basically have to zoom out by holding down the control and then messing with your mouse wheel, and then you can zoom back in to a different spot. So you just got to remember to hold down the control key, otherwise it won't work that way. So now, once the control key is now held down, we get to look through all of this, and this was all generated by Google. Didn't have to do anything except share the prompt. Obviously, we're going to have to replace the pictures here. These were generated images. My name is Shannon, and I'm not this lady. That's for certain. This is a lot of really good detail. The framing, the layout. This is great. You've got different components here that drops it down. We got to make some changes in here because the water and sanitation thing, that has nothing to do with us. So that is actually a problem that's in the prompt, not in the website itself. Wow, this is really good. Really good. So that gives us all of this. And what's cool about it is that we can then kind of scroll out, and then each one of these, oops. Man, that is really hard to navigate. I wonder if there's a way to, no. Oh, here we go. You got to move this over with this. That's what the deal is. You got to change your cursor over. All right. So what's cool about this is you go into here and you can adjust the theme. You can create different options for the page. And ultimately, you can export it. You can look at the code, which is really cool. So this is all of the code for this page that was generated. And so you can copy that code and move it into wherever you need to go. You can also export it into Figma if you have that upgraded connection. If you have a Figma account, this or some other account that'll let you develop the back end. Then you can basically take all of this code over and then work from there. So that's kind of the flow system that we're working with. I'm loving it, and you should give it a try because you will too.